Hey everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do something a little different. This is part of my my weight loss journey. We're going to make a recipe that is in this vintage cookbook. This is the Eat and Stay Slim from Better Homes and Gardens. I think this book is from 1968, right? I love to collect vintage cookbooks. So this is one I purchased a while back. It has tips for losing weight, for maintaining. It has 3 meal plans, one for 1,000 calories, one for 1,200, and one for 1,500. But what we're going to do is we're going back here to the recipes. We're going to make this. I don't know if it's going to be any good. I'm thinking probably not, but I want to make it. It's this blended cucumber salad. I'll let you see right there. And I think it recommends that you serve it with the cottage cheese dressing, which is right here. So we're going to make those today. How they're going to taste, I don't know. But I have my sugar-free lemon jello and I have a cucumber. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do is we're going to peel this cucumber. It says to 1 large cucumber pared, which means to peel. So let's peel the cucumber. Okay, I'm going to grab a knife and cut the ends off of this cucumber. And I probably will be chopping it up too because it's all going to go into the blender. I'm going to move these things out of my way. Move this. Move this. I'm going to cut up my cucumber. Let's see if you may turn this around so maybe we can see. I'm going to cut it up in chunks, or just slices. There we go. Now, I'm going to grab my blender. Okay, I moved my blender so I could plug it in because I only have plugs by the window in this little kitchen. My kitchen's small. But let's put these cucumber pieces in the blender. And let's see, we want to grind. It's going to be loud. I'm going to add a little water to help it because it's not doing anything without some water in here. Okay, I think we got it. I'm drinking my coffee. Take life 1 cup at a time. That's what we're doing. Now it says here, need to equal 1 cup. Now I think I'm going to mix it in my larger bowl here. So I think I'm just going to pour this in here. Okay, that's 1 cup. I have just a tiny bit left, which is fine. I don't really need that. So we got 1 cup. I'm waiting for my, oh, I should have put that. Let's see. Let me go back this way. Let me pour it in this one. Is that 1 cup? Yep, let me rinse this out. I'm going to mix the jello up in this, then add the cucumber. I have water on the stove to boil. So as soon as it is ready, we will mix that up. And it calls for 1 1/4 cups of boiling water for the jello for this recipe. So let me add in my jello. Okay, my water is boiling, so let me get it into the measuring cup now. Okay, there we go. Let me grab a spoon and get that dissolved. This should be interesting, huh? Should be interesting. So I have got that dissolved. Just refer to my book. Now it says to add the cucumber. Let's get all the goodness out. Okay. Let's mix it. Now, it says to chill until partially thickened. So we will do that before it says, before you put it into the individual cups. I don't know why I would need to do that. I'm not molding it, so I think I'm just going to go ahead, because this says to put it in a, to chill until partially firm, to then put it into a mold. I'm just going to pour it into these vintage cups I have here. Just, and I'm going to chill them this way. There we go. I think I divided it up pretty good. So these are going to go in the fridge and they're going to set up. So we will take a look at these later. Okay, while we're waiting for that to chill, let's go ahead and make our cottage cheese dressing. So it calls for a cup of cottage cheese. I have my cottage cheese right here, and I have a measuring cup. I think I might have a cup of cottage cheese. If not, we'll just go with what I have. Oh, you can't, well, you know what I'm doing. I'm putting cottage cheese in a measuring cup. Yeah, and this is all my cottage cheese. I think it's pretty good. Pretty good amount there. Let's dump that in. Okay. Then it calls for 2 tablespoons of a sweetener. I'm using my stevia. So we'll add 2 tablespoons of stevia and 4 teaspoons of lemon juice. We're going to put all this in this blender. Okay, there we go. Let me prop you guys up a bit. Put the lid on and let's just, I'm gonna add just a little water. Okay. There it is. Okay, I'm gonna put this in a container and we will come back. Yeah, it's a pretty good consistency. We'll put this in a container, put it in the fridge, and we will come back when the jello has gelled. It's not in a mold. It has gelled, and then we will taste test this. So we'll be right back. Okay, guys, we've got jello. It smells like cucumbers. It just smells like straight up cucumbers. And then here, get this open. Here is the cottage cheese dressing I made. Ooh, I almost spilled it out. It smells like cottage cheese. This smells like, this smells like just a cucumber. So I'm gonna put some of this. You know what? First, I'm gonna taste this. That's not bad. That actually is not bad. I'm the only one who's going to eat this, so I can stick my spoon back in there because Brian and Nathan won't eat this. But that dressing actually doesn't taste that bad. It's pretty good. And so I'm going to try this without the dressing. That's not bad. Let's put the dressing on it. That's actually good. I was expecting to not like this at all. I eat cucumbers. Cucumbers are not my favorite. I love pickles. Cucumbers are not my favorite thing just to eat raw. I will cut it up and put it in a salad, but just to eat a raw cucumber, not my favorite thing. But this way is good. I wouldn't call it, it's not sweet. There is, of course, this is sugar-free jello, but, you know, it's supposed to be like a dessert. And the dressing I did add stevia to, but neither one tastes sweet. I think the sugar just cuts the edge of that cucumber taste. And I really don't taste the sugar in the dressing. Oh my goodness. I think I have a new favorite thing. This is not bad at all. This is actually good. This is actually good. Oh my word. Hey, yay. I don't know how many calories is in this, but it can't be a lot. Can't be a lot. I'm going to be making this. I'm going to make this at least once a week. That's a great snack. I am shocked. I'm going to go through this book again and see what other recipes, because they have all kinds in here. But yeah, this was the blender cucumber salad. And again, it was one cucumber peeled, cut up, put in the blender, add some water so you can puree it. Then mix one box of lemon sugar-free jello. With that lemon jello, you add 1 1/4 cups of boiling water to mix up your jello. And then you need 1 cup of the puree to add to it. Mix it up, chill it. Great cottage cheese dressing. 1 cup of cottage cheese, 2 tablespoons of a sweetener, 4 teaspoons of lemon juice. It said to add 1/2 cup of skim milk. I did not. I ended up using about 1/2 cup of water. I'd rather do water than skim milk. I don't really keep skim milk in the house. It goes bad before we'll use it. So I'm not going to buy it. So I just use water and it tastes fine to me. I'm shocked. I am literally shocked. I'm going to try to find some more diet cookbooks and try more recipes, but I'm going to go through this one again, see if there's any other recipes we might want to try later. So guys, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. That helps my algorithm. It helps people find my videos, and I would really appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them down below. I will put both of these recipes, I'll just put them down below. They're very simple. You saw what I did. Very simple to make. If you're new here, I would love it if you would subscribe, and we'll do more fun things like this. So guys, thank you all for watching. I'll see you next time.